Are you a home renovation contractor struggling to generate leads for your business? Are you tired of relying on word-of-mouth referrals and outdated marketing strategies? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you how SEO and content marketing can supercharge your home renovation leads. The first step in generating leads for your home renovation business is to make sure you're showing up where people are looking: online. SEO is the process of optimizing your website and online presence to rank higher in search engine results pages. By optimizing your website with relevant keywords, creating quality content, and building backlinks from reputable sources, you can increase your online visibility and attract more potential customers to your website. But it's not enough to simply have a website. You need to provide value to your potential customers. This is where content marketing comes in. By creating useful and informative content, such as blog posts, infographics, and videos, you can establish yourself as an authority in your industry by providing value to your audience. You can also generate leads by capturing their contact information through forms and calls to action on your website. But it's not just about attracting leads, it's about converting them into paying customers. By implementing SEO and content marketing strategies, you can supercharge your home renovation leads and take your business to the next level.